Hello everyone, are you having a party or do you just want to enjoy a lovely snack on your plate? Then this potato sausage ball recipe is perfect for you. Get your potato flakes, flour, sausage, eggs, spice, salt, green pepper, red bell pepper, tomatoes, carrots, spring onions, garlic, mixed spices, egg, Greek yogurt, mayonnaise, skewers, and vegetable oil. Let's start. Fry your sausages, chop and set them aside. Chop all veggies into bits, set them aside. Now in a bowl, pour in your potato flakes and flour, add salt and mix together. Start adding your water gently, then pour in the ground sausage. Add your mixed spices, bouillon cubes and garlic. Crack your egg, add a bit and save some for your coating. Mix all together. Start molding into round balls. Coat in flour and put it in your tray. Heat up your pan, pour in your vegetable oil, let it be hot but not too hot. Dip your potato balls into your egg and fry. Allow it to be golden brown, flip and repeat till you're done frying. Yummy! And to elevate this finger food, we are using all the sausages and veggies, carrot, green pepper, red pepper, tomatoes, and now it's time to assemble. Get your skewer, in goes your potato sausage veggie balls, then all your veggies and sausage. Standing really lovely, and at the top, a beautiful pasta bowl. I can't wait to pick and bite, but not without a silky smooth pepper mixed Greek yogurt mayonnaise dip. Yes. And let the party begin. I present to you potato sausage veggie balls with Greek yogurt mayonnaise dip. This is so good. Just pick, dip and bite. Now this is truly a showstopper. So recreate and thank me later. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes. Thank you.